Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out best 5 welding helmets supply. I made this list based on my personal opinion and users review. Find out more information about these welding helmet, you can check out the links down in the description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 1, Hobart Impact Welding Helmet. When you're looking for a dependable mask with all the greatest features, it's hard to beat the Hobart 77056. Equipped with 3 arc sensors to control the auto-darkening functionality, this helmet is designed with class-leading LCD technology to keep your eyes protected every time the arc begins to flash. With shade levels adjustable from number 8 to number 13, you'll have excellent low light capability for any type of welding, but it still gets plenty dark for the brightest days. While the metal is heating up, you want to keep a cool head. The ultralight design of this mask, combined with the extra comfortable headgear, make this helmet a pleasure to wear. You'll still be able to breathe, and sweat won't be dripping into your viewing lens while you work. While it is super comfortable, the incredible adjustability of the headgear is pretty complicated to get it to fit your head. Link in description below. Number 2, Entra Auto Dark Welding Helmet. Already spent your budget on the best welder and left the helmet as an afterthought? Don't worry, if you're looking for quality protection on a slim budget, Entra Welding's Auto Darkening Helmet is the best welding helmet for the money. The solar-powered feature of this helmet means you won't have to constantly worry about battery levels before getting to work. Being so lightweight makes this helmet much more comfortable when wearing it for long periods of time. With variable shade levels from 5 to 13, you'll be equipped to work in any light conditions, with any type of welding. Plus, the interference suppression technology works to stop false triggering caused by light sources other than your welding. What keeps this mask from the number 1 position is its lifespan. After several months to a few years of good use, this mask has been known to exhibit problems such as electronics failures or screen flashes. Link in the description below. Number 3. Lincoln 3350 Welding Helmet. Lincoln Electric is one of the most trusted names in welding. If you need a helmet that provides peace of mind knowing that your eyes are covered by the best protection available, then the Lincoln Electric 3350 welding helmet is a worthy choice. On top of this, the 3350 line of helmets offers the largest viewing area in its class at 12.5 square inches. If you've ever had a difficult time trying to see what you were welding, you'll appreciate this great feature. With the perfect optical clarity offered by this mask, you'll see your work like never before. Variable shade levels from 5 to 13, with 1/25,000 second lens switching speed protecting your eyes in all conditions. The X6 headgear keeps you comfortable all day with a balanced design that reduces pressure. Of course, all these exceptional features are accompanied by a premium price that's out of the range of many DIY hobbyists, putting this helmet in the 3rd spot on our list. Link in the description below. Number 4. 3M Speedglass Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. With a viewing area of 12.11 square inches, the 3M Speedglass Welding Helmet has one of the largest field of views available. The side windows with level 5 shade filters widen your field of vision for one of the most complete viewing experiences available inside a welding helmet. Exhaust vents expel your air from the helmet, keeping you cool with a clear lens. Adjustable shade from levels 5 to 13 gives plenty of variability to weld in any amount of light. This helmet provides many awesome features, but the price is difficult to overcome unless you are using this mask every day for professional use. It also falls short of the perfect clarity offered by our number 3 pick, even though the 3M helmet is at a higher price point by a good margin. Link in description below. Number 5. Jackson Safety BH3 Welding Helmet. With a perfect optical clarity rating, you're sure to see your work in detail with the Jackson Safety BH3. A high-density plastic shell keeps you safe and protected. The headgear is easily adjusted, though not as comfortable as similar helmets. Its weight of 2 pounds is quite heavy for the price range and won't be as comfortable for long projects. To make matters worse, this helmet has been known to arrive DOA, and the manufacturer provides no warranty for the US. For the price, the features don't quite match up. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, share and stay with our channel for more updates.